Hey Grant Cousins, today I'm excited to share this grant with you. Today we're talking about a $25,000 grant and $10,000 grant. Now the deadline is approaching soon for both of these grants, so keep watching to learn more about these grants before it's too late. Now the first grant is called the Sage Network Grant, and it's offering $10,000 grants to Black women entrepreneurs. The Boss Network is partnering with the Sage, the global market leader for technology that provides small and medium businesses with visibility, flexibility, and efficiency to manage finances, operations, and people for the inaugural grant of the Boss Impact Fund. The Boss Impact Fund supports Black women-led businesses to build scalable, growth, aggressive companies. Now, in order to qualify for this grant, you must meet the following. You must be an U.S. resident that is 18 years or older and is a Black woman identifying entrepreneur who is the leading executive, for example, a founder of your small business. You must be in the first 5 years of your business, and you must be a for-profit company. You must have demonstrated a need for funds as well. Now, the official prize for this grant is the following. It's $10,000 USD cash prize, recognition on the Hello Alice, the Boss Network, and or the Sage platform. Each grant recipient will receive a 1-year scholarship to the Boss Business University and must attend mandated quarterly business trainings. Recipients are required to participate in a virtual mentoring program where founders will receive up to 2 hours of support and mentoring by Boss in the year of 2023. Now, the deadline for this grant is February 24th, 2023 at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So you have about 3 days. Winners will be notified during the week of March 22, 2023. I do highly encourage you to read the official rules of this grant on their website to make sure you are applying for this grant correctly. And as always, the link to this grant will be linked below. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to check it out. Now, if you do not qualify for this grant, please share this video with someone who does. They will greatly appreciate it. Now let's get to the second grant. The second grant we have is a $25,000 grant called the Project Entrepreneur. It's a program by the UBS, and it's aimed to level the playing field for female founders by providing access to resources, training, and networks that they need to build and grow their companies. Now, in partnership with Hello Alice, UBS is offering $25,000 in grants and mentorships to 20 female founders of color in New York City who are leading venture scalable companies. In order to qualify for this grant, you must meet the following. You must be a U.S. resident. You must be a founder or a co-founder leading for a for-profit company. You must identify as a female founder of color, and you must be based in New York City. You must be willing to participate in a coaching program as well as attend an in-person accelerator at UBS NYC headquarters. Now, the following prize for this grant is each founder that is a grant recipient will receive a $25,000 grant each. Each founder that is a grant recipient will be required to participate in a coaching program where a founder will receive up to 2 hours of support and coaching by UBS and or its designated agencies for a period of time to be confirmed by the time of the grant recipient that are announced. Now, each founder that is a grant recipient will also be required to attend an in-person accelerator at the UBS NYC headquarters, tentatively scheduled for May 22nd, 2023 and May 23rd, 2023. Now, the deadline for this grant is March 2023 at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Applications will be reviewed from March 6th through April 10th, 2023, and the winners will be notified in the month of April 2023. I do highly encourage you to read the official rules of this grant on their website to make sure you are applying for the grant correctly. The link for this grant will be linked below if you have any additional questions. And also, if you do not qualify, please share this video with someone who does. I know they're greatly appreciated. Now, if you like these type of videos, please leave this video with a thumbs up. I hope this video was very helpful for you all. Let me know in the comment section if this grant is worth your time. And if you were to check this out, make sure to check out more recent grants at designersoapbox.com/grants. So make sure you click that link in the pinned comments and video description below to know more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.